recent record in terms of his performances at the Olympics as well as World Championships.
From Australia, Red Stephen John. Judge number 1. From Mongolia, judge number 2. From Morocco, judge number 3. From Uganda, judge number 4. Croatia, judge number 5. From Guatemala.
Going to be a fascinating bout. Probably be a contrast in styles as well. One from Kyrgyz Republic, the other one from Poland. You'll probably see a little bit more calculative boxing from the boxer from Poland, just as we saw in a few of the matches earlier today. But Munarbek, when he gets going, is the kind of boxer who could make Brak pay as well. Bit of a cagey beginning. So far, the 3 bouts which have happened in the evening session, of course one was a walkover, but the other 3 which were completed, two of them won by the boxer wearing blue. Maybe a little bit of a superstition that Pavel Brak may have noticed or will take a lot of hope from. Been more of a reconnaissance mission. First minute and 30 seconds or so of this bout. Significant action unleashed by either boxer, just trying to gauge each other's game plan out. Brak probably looking to be the aggressor a bit more, but Munarbek standing his ground, pretty much boxing from the center of the ring as much as possible. Doesn't want to get boxed into a corner. Again, not much of a difference in terms of the build or the height. Slightly taller, perhaps, Brak. Still quite solid from both boxers. Now the judges will see this. The occasions that early advantage can be quite decisive in a lot of these bouts. We haven't seen a single knockout yet today. This bout definitely doesn't have the makings of something which could head towards a knockout, simply because there's a lot of caution at work in this first round. One of them, I suspect, will have to just step up a gear, especially if they end up losing the first. Brak looking to finish the way that he started. Bit more positivity from him, but it's been good defensive work as well from his opponent Munarbek. Expected a contrast in styles, and we have seen that pretty much all the way through. Pavel Brak trying to start with more positivity. Been a warning which has been handed out to Pavel. Numbers have gone in favor of Seyitbek Olu. Munarbek has just been a little bit smarter in terms of what he's done around the ring. But Brak knows that he's not far behind.
Round 2.
he would want to win this second round decisively and try and take this really down to the wire in the third round. Good aggression. Pavel starts well, lands a few good punches. Has Munarbek pegged into the corner a couple of times already. That's all that he's got to do here. Try and keep pushing away. Munarbek coming back the last few moments in the second round, just looking to be the aggressor. Put a little seed of doubt into Brak's mind. Looking for that momentum shift here, Pavel Brak, every now and then. Spurt of energy where he tries and goes for the punches, but it's been good defensive work as well from Munarbek. Using all his experience, the man from Kyrgyzstan. Out with his guard down. That brings both defense and counter-attack into equation. He's utilized that quite well for himself. Next bout, you don't want to miss that. Devon Okazawa of Japan against Hitesh Gulia of India. But for the moment, we're coming in towards the last 10 seconds. I think Munarbek has done enough here to maintain that kind of advantage. Pavel Brak a lot more positive, a lot more proactive in this round. Landed a few good punches. But Munarbek was outstanding in his defense, outstanding in the way that he kept evading his opponent, and also landed a few good counters of his own. With the result that, barring one of the judges, everybody else has pretty much gone with him. With still a decisive advantage for Seyitbek Ulu Munarbek from Kyrgyz Republic. Near perfection in terms of numbers.
Seconds out.
This is where Pavel Brak has to go for broke. To be fair, that's what he's been trying. He has been trying to land that one big punch. Very good defensive boxing from Munarbek, also frustrating his opponent quite a bit. I thought it would be tactical and cagey from Brak, but it's actually been from the other end. Man in red. Oh, but he's now had a couple of strong punches, albeit one of them to the back of his head. Big word of caution. Already had one official warning from the referee. Opposing figure lurking in the background. Getting a little desperate here from Pavel. Also just got a little split near his left eye. That's a sign that Monarbek has not only defended well, but he's also counter-attacked quite effectively right through this bout. They say it's not always about working hard, it's also so much about working smart, and this has been smart work all the way through in this bout by Monarbek Saidbek Ulu of Kyrgyz Republic. Running out of time, running out of opportunities, also seemingly running out of energy now, Pavel Brak. Been a game effort, especially in that second round. He tried his very best. Hit those openings which he desperately needed. It's been just as good defensively at the other end from Monarbek Saidbek Ulu. Into the last 30 seconds now. Unless Brak can pull something quite special out of his armory. That smile from Monarbek tells it all. He knows exactly how well he has managed this bout. Looking at a potential semi-final finish at worst for both himself and for Kyrgyzstan. Yeah, that should do. Good sporting spirit between the two right at the end. But certainly stuck to his guns and made a good defensive game all the way through. Monarbek ultimately frustrated Pavel Brak to a great extent. Some decent punches thrown in, but also some taken in this third round. That just summed up the entire performance. Pavel was chasing the game for most of it. While Monarbek, once he had established a lead, he knew exactly what had worked and he stuck to it. Didn't try to do anything different from that all the way through.
The winner on point by unanimous decision. In the red corner, representing Kyrgyzstan,
Monarbek Saidbek Ulu, the winner of this match. Some smart work from him all the way through. Good defending. And with Pavel trying everything possible to try and rattle him. All he did was just bided his time. Didn't mind being on the back foot for most of this. Did it quite effectively and closed it out quite comfortably at the end. Saidbek Ulu goes through to the semi-finals and brings up an assured medal for Kyrgyzstan.